Hi, good morning. My name is Pedro. Here is Afro. He's sitting right here. We are here to share our story with Tableau using at Pague Menos. We have a little agenda. Let's do it. Let's try to do it. Pague Menos is a retail pharmacist in Brazil. It's a drugstore. That's our goal. Pague Menos every corner of Brazil. That's our mission every day, and we are trying to do the best we can to achieve that. Our mission, we really try to do that. That's very important for us, and we do many actions to achieve this mission. Pague Menos has three important things for us: convenience to our customers, innovation. We really do things different. Pague Menos is from Ceará. Ceará is a state that is in northeast of Brazil, and we stay in Fortaleza, is the capital of Ceará. It's a poor state in Brazil, and to do what we do, we have to do things in a different way. We really do things in a different way. And citizenship, the Pague Menos has a social approach, a very strong social approach. That's very important for us because we are in a poor state, in a poor region, and that's important for us to do something for community. And that's Pague Menos. Pague Menos is the unique retail that are in all Brazil, all states of Brazil. Just Pague Menos has presence in all states of Brazil, 250 cities in Brazil. It's very, very interesting because who knows Brazil knows that it's a real challenge to do something like that, because infrastructure, roads, airports, many things doesn't work so well. And so to do something like that, 250 different cities, just a unique data warehouse, and now 2 data warehouses. Since April, we have the second data warehouse, but until this year, just 1 data warehouse to ship merchandise to all our stores, 700 stores in 200 different cities. Is real a challenge. And because of that, we had to do some things different, and information is very crucial for us. How can I say? We have a BI, business system intelligence, but how can I say? It was outdated. It was something. It is a black box. It is how can I say? A system not developed by us. It is a black box. It was very important for us. We have these systems since 12 years ago. It did many things for us, but today our necessity is much bigger than use a black box system. So our necessity was replacing this application. Our motivation, agility, real agility to do what we do. Our operation, how can I say, demand agility from the headquarters and from the processes. So we did a project divided in 3 stages to choose another tool, another business intelligence tool. And after all, we did our choice for Tableau. Tableau was the best cost-benefit we found. It was really interesting. We were searching for an application, a business intelligence. So we met Tableau, and it was a first love in the education. And at the end of the end of the last year, we did our first implementation, and we divided in 3 stages: training, 2 settings, payload data, and we trained 10 key users to use Tableau. The point is information everywhere. That's our goal. Everybody has to access information when they need to do what they need to do. Because before Tableau, there was a dependence from IT. Every key user, every user, when they needed something, they ask for IT. And IT has a huge backlog. And we had, how can I say, a long time to answer to our user. So the main goal for Tableau was 10 key users to use using Tableau in their department and develop their application, their reports, their dashboards, and so information everywhere, not depending on IT. We did something different to that. We have an in-house ERP. That ERP was developed by us. So we did a layer, a view layer, to permit our user have a good way to access data. This after adopt was based on the creation of a layer of SQL based. That's the way we did, because our goal is to permit to allow our user to access database from our ERP directly. Because if they need something, they goes there, they search their data, and they can do their report, their dashboards with no IT presence. That's the main point. That's the company. How can I say? We are undergoing a process of management consultants, which is being mapped by key process and create very indicators. So after Tableau, the delay in providing information was less than before. Difficulty in access database by users was less than before. The culture to ask IT changed. Now users can do by themselves. And there was a little use of dashboards. Now, database is accessible to the users. There is an agility to do reports, dashboards. And the more important thing, culture change. IT supports the use of the tool. IT support the users. There is not anymore a dependence from IT. The user can do by himself. That's the main point. That was very important for us, because the user can use Tableau and can do his own dashboards, his own reports, and that's very important to do things more in an agile way. And now there is an intensive use of dashboards, department dashboards and corporative dashboards. Let's try. I try to do something show them to you. This is the first one. It is a corporative dashboard. No, not that. I'm sorry. It is a sales view dashboard. We have 2,700 stores. And there is a hierarchy in a sales operation. And it is the view, the operation view, the operation manager view. There is a dashboard that the operation manager can manage all their stores, all their regions. In this dashboard there are 11 KPIs, and these KPIs helps these people. These people here, they are the operation manager. These dashboards were developed for them. They are the how can I say, operation managers that operates all the operation from all Pague Menos operation. These people are very important because sales people depends from them. This vision, this dashboard is for the region manager. Region manager, they respond to our operation manager. For example, these people here, they are region managers. they respond to Carlos, an operation manager. So Carlos can view what happened to this regional manager and their stores. Carlos every day can look to this dashboard and he can see what is happening, and he can see what Clayton is doing. Clayton has two supervisors. Oh, sorry. Está atualizando. Ok. Clayton has two supervisors. Foi. I'm sorry, I'm in a VPN. This is a real dashboard. It is in Brazil, far from here. And let's wait some minutes. How I was saying? I'm sorry about my English, but I'm trying to do my best, and I am a little nervous, so let's do it. Carlos can see their region manager. Clayton can see their supervisors. Supervisor can see all the store manager, and a store manager can see what's happening in the store every day. That's the idea. Drill down view, and everybody can see what they are doing. And there are 11 different KPIs to manage these people. That's this dashboard. This dashboard has this goal to Salesforce manage their operation every day. I'm sorry, really sorry. No, is that it is different. For example, this is the dashboard to. This is the dashboard to. Okay, this dashboard is to manage a store. This dashboard shows what's happening day by day with revenue. He can see if the revenue is achieving his goal, and he can do something to do the operation better. So he can see what's happening day by day. Here's the goal. Not so good. Here's the goal. He did. Here's the goal. Not so good. Here he did. Here not. So he can see all day. Every day he can see, okay, I'm good. No, I'm not good. I have to do something, because at the end of the month, somebody will call him and so what's happened. And it was manually. After Tableau, he did this manually. He had a dashboard, a blank dashboard in his wall, and every day he write there what's happening, and he do that manually. Now he has a dashboard, so he can see that his iPad, or he can see that at his home. He can see. Let's think, he's in his house on Monday. He can see what's happening in the store. That's the point. Many things go different before the use of that, because information is doing this for us. Information is on the hands of the manager, and the manager can do what he needs to do to things goes better. That's very interesting. Let's try. No. Okay. Supervisor view. How I said, Carlos has a region. His name is Rogério. Rogério has two supervisors. Chris Lane. Just one supervisor, Chris Lane. And Chris Lane has many stores that she manages. And each store has a manager. So, how I said, they can see every day what is happening in the store. Sales view. And not one sales view. Client view. How can I say in English? Ticket value. I don't know in English really. In units, how units are doing. Changes. He can see the main importance KPIs for them. Now, this is a different dashboard. This is a dashboard to relationships investor. Relationships investors has a different kind of necessity, but the necessities up here is equal to the last one is from sales. But now he has a different view, and he can see by segment, drugs, not drugs. He can see the sales in different views from different segments. I will not do that right now because it can do. He can see okay, that didn't help me. Just Amazonas, okay? He can see by city. Esse aqui ele. Yeah. You can see by city. In Amazonas we have stores in 2 cities, Manaus and Manacapuru. Manacapuru, some times ago, just by boat to go there, believe me, just by boat. Imagine Amazonas, Amazon forest, and here's the capital. Okay, capital is okay. Manacapuru is behind capital. Now there is a bridge right here. Some months ago, until January this year, just by boat. But we have a store here and sells a lot. It's a dashboard too. How I said to relationship investors. It's very interesting because he can choose just a region, real time. No, I can choose a region. I can just northeast. The place Pague Menos comes from. Pague Menos comes from this state here, Ceará. We are here by city. That's the cities that here is Ceará State, and these are the cities we have stores in Ceará States. That's other city, the cities in Ceará States. Of course, Fortaleza is the big one. Yeah, our headquarters is here in Fortaleza. So. That's my backup plan, okay? If the internet doesn't work, I have here the slides. So, some slide that didn't work, how can I? Operation view. Region view. Supervisor view, store managed view, and day-by-day store managed view. Investor relationships. And the idea is use Tableau for everything. We have some different systems in our company. SAP, Microsoft, a tax system. CCD is a IBM system to manage infrastructure, IT infrastructure, and Jazz is rational. Jazz is for development, and we are doing something very nice here. That's Jazz. Real time. We are in our develop server there. This is Jazz. We use Jazz to manage our developing. I have a team to develop, internal develop, how I said, we have an in-house ERP. So this is Jazz. We use to manage our demands. And here, here's Tableau. Every month, we do a meeting, director meeting. Developer manager has to, how can I say, show what he did, what his team did to each director, each different director. And he used Jazz and Tableau to show that, to show how things are happening. It is coming. Yes. This is Tableau. The demands, planned demands, not planned demands, by area, administration, sales, finance, logistics, operations. Operations is sales. Here is commercial, is supply chain. And system is IT. 2 team leaders, and what is happening? New, going, testing, implementation, done, not so nice. Ready to begin. So we can see what's happening. But the interesting figures not here. This is Tableau 2. Now, this view here is for the developer manager to see what's happening with his team. The last view was to the directory, to directors, for directors. This view here is for developer manager. I prefer to do this to show in real time because I believe it's better. I have these slides here, but not how to see what's happening, really happening. But if I am in a VPN, internet is not so good. VPN has many different firewalls there, so not so quickly. Here, this view here, this dashboard. Shows to the developer manager what is happening. Here we have developers, the team, and each person has activities, qualification, analysis, done, going, still going, to begin. He can see what is happening by person, day by day. Here you can go here and see what is happening with this day here. I said we are using Tableau to do things in a different way. In each area, logistics, operations, relationship with investors, developing. Here, we have here each developer and what he's doing, the task. Important thing. Tableau is going directly in the Jazz database. Jazz directly is live data here in Jazz database. Yeah.
So is this the majority of data source in Tableau? Is it straight connection or is it, do you have any extract?
Yeah, I have. The first dashboard that I showed to you, operations dashboard, it is an extraction.
Okay.
It is an extraction.
What's the percentage of extract versus straight connection users?
The percent.
Yeah. 50.
Oh, it depends for us in each situation. In each situation, because if the data that we have, if the data is huge volume, we do extraction. The data here is not a huge volume, so we are going directly to the database. It depends on. We are using how can I say it? The dashboard, the relationship dashboard, there's a lot of up. Okay, depends on the situation. Important thing is to get data and do something with that. We have a point in our company, manage to view. You see, you analyze, and you act. You have to do that. You see the situation, you analyze the situation, you have to do something. To do that, you need information, you need data. And we are using Tableau for that. So, if I can go directly to the live database, I go. This is directly. If it is necessary extraction, we do the extraction. If I have a OLAP cube, I use the OLAP cube to do what is necessary to do. We have different situations here.
If you say machine, sometimes you have situations. Online is limited, extractions, and a lot.
So you can just let's get to the
Okay. I'm looking for, I think it is here. Here is nice too. Another view. I have here the team leader, I have here task, and I have here what is done versus his goal. He's not so good here. Here he's good, but here isn't, 90%. So we have Cloud Soft, not so good. Francisco Danta, a new system. Here, he's nice. So the manager can see to each person, to each professional, what he's doing and how he's doing. How is his situation? Every day. Every day, the developer have to go and to show what he done in this day. And so the team leader, the manager can see what is happening every day to do something. Those dashboards was just, and our goal is to do using others database, other systems. Afro is the IT manager. He's responsible for infrastructure, service desk, so on. And he uses this tool here, SCCD, from IBM. He's working for that. He's now building his dashboards with Tableau. I hope until the end of September, October. Every month we have a meeting. Every month he has a meeting to me. Every month he has to show what happened with him and his team. And today he used Excel, he used something like that. The goal is using Tableau. How the developer team is doing. He's doing too. Oh, the slides, backup plan. I'm responsible. I am the director of IT and logistics director. I have two situations. I am a IT man and I am a business man. Logistics is important thing for us, the main thing for us. And we are in a consulence process, and we are doing a very nice what can I say, set of KPIs. I'd like to show to you. And our goal is to do that in Tableau until the end of this year. Just some minutes. Have to help me here. Okay. Show that. This is Excel. Okay. But this is here we have so many different KPIs, logistic KPIs. Yes, thank you. How you can see, logistics phase, logistics process, and for each process we have different many KPIs. Lead time KPIs, service level KPIs. Now we are good. Not so good here. Productivity KPIs. Cost KPIs. How I said, we do things in a different way to achieve our goals. And we have KPIs for everything. We do manage our process, our activities. This is Excel, but I have a promise from my development manager that until October, at the end of October, all these KPIs will be in Tableau. And so every meeting, every monthly meeting, I will do my presentations to the board using Tableau with these KPIs. I do that every month using Excel. Okay. So the point is, the goal is to use Tableau for everything in different areas, in different ways. And the goal is information. Pague Menos every corner, information every corner with Pague Menos to our people, to our employees. I believe, the board believes that it is very important. People should have information to see, analyze, and act. From a director to a salesperson, everybody has to do something to do things better. To do things better, you have to. You need information, you need data. And we did a very nice work preparing that because the tool is important, it is, of course. And a tool like Tableau is very important to do that. But most important is to have the KPIs to use Tableau. And that's the point. That's the real point. We are really enjoying that. Yes.
So the plan is to have all Excel in Tableau?
Yeah. All KPIs in Excel, access, manually.
How long does it take you to do Excel, and how long does it take you now to have Tableau? I mean, like, the switching.
It's very fast because there is a learning line. You have Tableau. Tableau, we are using Tableau since last year, but really using this year, really for here this year. And how we are doing the things very fast because this dashboard that I showed to you today, they were done before April, May this year. All these dashboards. And so we are doing the things very fast because the KPI doesn't exist. The KPI that doesn't exist in Excel or something else. So we are translating to Tableau. The database doesn't exist, the intelligence doesn't exist. So we are using Tableau too. Yeah, to get everywhere. Yeah, because believe me, in Excel, it's not so easy to do something in Excel. It's not so easy to show to everybody in an Excel. You can send it by email, okay, it's nice too, but it's different from actual like Tableau. All Salesforce people are using the sales dashboards. I receive every day an email from a manager, a store manager. Oh, that's nice, fantastic, I'm using. I don't have what to use the manager dashboard in the wall. We are really loving. Very, very, very. And it is transforming our company, for sure.
So what other key items were you using before?
It was a black box system from a company from Argentina. It was MicroStrategy, but it was done. It was not flexible. It was not so well agile. And here we are doing our own dashboards.
Yeah, very good. But when you use the Excel, I want to know, you have a data, you do the Excel in your dashboard all the way. Are you already have a data in the database, or you do the ad hoc just sometime in the ad hoc?
Yes.
Similar like our company, we are a healthcare company, a lot of ad hoc stuff.
Yes.
So this, and so right now your company want to transmit to all this kind of ad hoc data to the database that use for Tableau, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How long? I think that the process data is sometimes not easy work, and so you are just business union to process this data, or you partner with IT to make a centralized database. What is strategy you are using? Centralized database. How long? For example, you have a lot of existing Excel dashboard. How long you can transfer this kind of data to the relational central database?
Data was in many databases. Okay?
Yeah.
Today they use within database.
Different database.
When you need to prepare Excel and start some data from here, some data from here. Okay?
Similar level.
Some data from SAP, some data from Cosmos, our in-house ERP, some data from
other
Tableau,
Excel
some data from other
Yeah.
Excel.
Yeah.
access. Now you can put all this information in this centralized database.
We are doing this.
We are doing this.
Do you do
Well,
star schema, or is it more like extract? Like, do you have to set it up to just with star schema, type of fact and dimensions, or do you more
Just a relational database.
relational?
There are many scheme. We have a fact table and relations. They load the data using Microsoft Shell, integration sets. Microsoft integration sets to upload to Microsoft SQL or database and load from Oracle, load from Linux to
Many
Windows.
different sorts.
Yeah. Microsoft tax system is in Oracle. SAP is in Microsoft SQL, but another server, another database. So we are putting together in a centralized database.
Time for all people is this for us, the central data, how to manage it.
But you done in January.
We began last year. Doing this.
Last year,
Yeah.
doing this?
Doing this.
Yeah,
Think about
once
this.
that kind of database relationship get together done, then use Tableau is much quicker to
Yes.
develop that. And
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
We have the
difficult.
similar situation.
I believe.
Yeah, data source.
Many companies have. So, the tools are important, information is very important, so the partner is very important. I like to thanks to Veronica and Paul. They are from PEF, they are our partner, Tableau partner in Brazil, and Veronica support us every necessity we have. Veronica, please help us. And so she helped us. Thank you very much. And that's it. The point, the main message here is tool is very important, and Tableau was our choice. We did how can I say, a proof of concept with another tools, and Tableau was the best benefit cost, and we are very satisfied with it. We are really using because it's very important for us. It's really doing this process is transforming our company. These dashboards are very nice. People are using. How I said, I have phone calls, I have emails, store managers, supervisors. So it's very nice. But I'd like something different. They are asking for different things. That's very nice because if they are asking if they are asking, it's because they are using. It's because it is important for them, and that's our goal. So thank you very much, and that's our story.